Have you ever dreamed of a world where household chores would do themselves, leaving you with more free time to enjoy life, read a good book, or spend time with your loved ones? Imagine a dedicated, silent, and efficient assistant that takes care of one of the most dreaded tasks: window cleaning. Let me introduce you to the future of household maintenance, the HUTT DDC, a window cleaning robot that will revolutionize the way you think about cleaning. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This window cleaning robot is the perfect assistant for those looking to simplify their household tasks with a modern and efficient solution, ideal for cleanliness enthusiasts who desire spotless windows and smooth surfaces without effort. The DDC is not just another gadget, it is a true technological revolution at home. With its compact dimensions of 20 cm in width, 14 cm in length, and 8.5 cm in height, and a light weight of 1.1 kilos, this automated window cleaning robot is designed to make your life easier and clearer. Literally. Its elegant white color and sleek design make it not only practical but also visually appealing. This little technological gem comes with everything needed to get started: an adapter, a wash brush for precise cleaning, and 12 high-quality washable and reusable microfiber cloths. These are specially designed to fit perfectly with the robots and provide effective cleaning without leaving any streaks, protecting your windows and smooth surfaces effortlessly. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. But what truly sets the DDC apart are its advanced features. Equipped with a powerful suction of 3800 PA, it adheres firmly to all smooth surfaces, ensuring a deep clean, whether it's windows, mirrors, tiles, or even marble countertops. No challenge is too great for the DDC. Its ability to detect the level of dirt and adjust its suction accordingly allows for optimal cleaning without supervision. Safety is a priority for the DDC. Equipped with an uninterruptible power supply, UPS, in case of a power outage, and a safety rope that can withstand up to 104 kilos, it promises risk-free high cleaning. Its built-in artificial intelligence allows for precise navigation, avoiding falls and ensuring that every nook and cranny is spotless. Speaking of intelligence, the DDC is a marvel of technology. Its intelligent chip plans the cleaning path upon activation, detects obstacles, and optimizes the cleaning for dazzling results. With its low noise level of 65 decibels, it works quietly, allowing you to relax or focus on other activities while it takes care of everything. The cleaning process is incredibly simple. Wet the cloth, wipe, and admire the result. For an even deeper clean, a few sprays of window cleaner on the cloth are enough to remove any marks and dirt. And with an impressive battery life of 10 years, the HUTT DDC is a sustainable investment for your home. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to learn more about its unique features, order it now at the best price, and revolutionize your daily life. The delivered pack includes everything you need for the robot itself: the power adapter, the safety belt, the safety rope, 12 cleaning pads, the remote control, a bottle, and of course, the user manual to guide you step by step. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Autonomy and safety. With its powerful suction system and safety cord, the robot offers great cleaning autonomy while ensuring optimal safety, even for high windows. Advantage number 2. Intelligent cleaning. The obstacle detection capability and automatic path planning ensure efficient cleaning without manual intervention, even on frameless surfaces. The third advantage is ease of use. Its simple and intuitive interface, combined with the remote control, makes it accessible to everyone without requiring any special technical skills. Advantage number 4. Saving effort and time. By taking on a demanding household task, the DDC frees up time for users, allowing them to focus on other activities. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage 1. Dependence on electrical power. Despite its backup battery, the robot requires a power source to operate, which could limit its use in certain environments or situations. If you are ready to embrace the future of window cleaning, say goodbye to tedious chores, and rediscover the joy of effortlessly spotless windows, the DDC is made for you. Don't wait to transform your cleaning routine at the best price. To learn more and check out the hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, simply click on the link in the description. Your home deserves the best. And with this window cleaner, the best is within reach. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.